Friends, I am Rijo. Today we are just plan to cover the topic Windows 365 Cloud Device Deployment. So, what is the learning objective today? We are plan to discussing introduction of Windows 365 Cloud PC and demo. So, we will go for our learning objective. So, what is Windows 365? It's a cloud PC, an end user on personal computer in the cloud. So, it's provide optimized, scalable, and high availability. And this service allow individual to access the full Windows experience remotely from any device with an internet connection. And what are the additional full support for the Windows 365? Windows 365 Business is designed for a small business up to 300 users, and Windows 365 Enterprises, large organization, and offering unlimited seats and advanced management feature throughout the Microsoft Intune. And Windows 365 Government, a version compliant with the US government regulation, and Windows 365 Frontline share service allow organization to provide multiple cloud PC on the non-concurrent users, ideal for the shift worker. It's like a shared PC. So, what are the requirement need for the Windows 365, Microsoft Intune, and Azure AD Premium P1 license? So, what is the next? We will check for the demo. So, how to we can enable the Windows 365 Cloud PC deployment in the Microsoft Intune portal. So, we will go for our Intune portal. We reach our portal. So, Windows 365 portal. So, how to we can take the license from our service. So just I will go for admin. You can go for the admin. Then you can go for the subscription or product. So currently I am already subscribed. So I directly go to the product. So how to we can get the free trial license? You just go for here. Then you just go for the your products. Go for the add more product. I am already subscribed my one of the license. You can see assigned one user purchase quantity one. So this is a free trial. Windows 365 Enterprise 2 virtual CPU and 8 GB 120 GB hard disk. So if you need, just go for add more trial. You can enable the trial whole product. Then Windows 365. So here you can see Windows 365 Enterprise, Windows 365 Business, and Windows 365 Frontline. So these three license you can. So Windows 365 is dedicated for the large business, and Windows 365 give you 300 license for the cloud in your organization. And this one is like a shared PC. You can share for the your organization different users. So you can see here Windows 365 Enterprise currently I am active. You can go check the details. So here you can see, then you can get the trial version. You can take the trial version. So I am already enabled one trial version. So I am already enabled the trial version. You can go for the license. You can check my trial version. So here you can see I am already enabled. So I am already assigned for the team at Rijo on Microsoft. So you can get how to we can get the license. So whatever the license your organization you need, you can take it. So now I just go for my Intune portal. So I will show you how to we can in a provision for the Windows 365. So just I will go to directly. So just you go to device. So after that you can go for the Windows 365. So here you can see provision failed in grace, and you can see the all the details from here. So I just go for the all cloud PC. So after you enable the license, you can see the status, note provision, and also get the cloud PC size. And also you can see here user where you assign the license. You can see here Tim at Rijo. So I directly assign the license already. So what we need to currently here showing not provision. So we need to add the provision policy. So how to we can add this one? Just to go for the provision policy, then create the policy. Then here you need to add your policy name. Then after that you just copy, then go for here. Then here license type, you can see enterprises and frontline. Already we discussed this shared PC. So currently I am using enterprise. So I just go for the enterprise. So after that here you can see join type details. Select the join type cloud PC assign. So we are using Microsoft Intra join. So we select the Microsoft. If you are hybrids Microsoft, you can select for the hybrid. So currently I just go for the Microsoft Intra join. Here you can see the network type. If you have dedicated Azure network connection, you can select the Azure network connection. If you don't have that one, you can select for the Microsoft hosted. Currently I just go for the Microsoft hosted network. Then you can select the geography location. So I just go for India. Then after that, region automatic, you can choose for the different regions. So currently I just go for the automatic recommended. So here use Microsoft Indra single sign on. If I just enable single sign on, then after that you can see the image gallery. Windows 11 Enterprise Microsoft already is coming. If you want to change, you can change and you can choose here from the whatever the edition you want, you can choose. So I just go for the default, and you can see, and you can add the custom image also. You can download, you can save the custom image. So currently I just go for the gallery image. So now we need to choose the gallery image. So after that you can click next. Then here you can see Windows setting language region, or whatever the language you can choose it. So I just go for the default. Cloud PC name, apply device name template. If you have device name template, you can see. I just go for the default and select a service. If you have Windows Auto Patch license, you can enable the Windows Auto Patch for. If you don't have, you just go for the none. So currently I just go for the none. Then click next. Then after that, click next. Then assignment. You need to assign which group of user need this one. So currently I am not assign. I just go for next. Then I will create. So now you can see here, we already enabled the policy. So after that, we needed to what? We needed to enable assign the license. So how to we can assign? I just make one group here, create one new group, then security group, cloud. So just to copy. Then here you need to select the member. I just go for the user team. Currently I join, then select. Then after that, you just click create. So now we create the our group. So after that, we come back here. We need to assign this one. So just go for this one. Then we need to edit the assignment. Then we need to add the group. So just select the group. Then next, update. So now the policy we assign the one of the group, and that user already have the license for the Windows 365 Cloud PC. So after that, you just close this one. So here you can see already assigned the status. So already now we provision the policy. So after that, you just go for the old Cloud PC. You can see now the status is provisioning. It take around 30 minutes to complete the provision state. Then after that, the state will be changed to the provision. So now I will pause my video. After complete my provisioning, I will come back. You need to check what is the status again. You just go for the Windows 365, then go to old Cloud PC. So now you can see here the status before provisioning. Now the status will be changed to provision. So now you can see your device name also here, and also you can go for the old device. You can go for here. You can see the device will be coming here after a little bit time is also in Dune join. So how to we can go for that Windows 365 PC. So how to we can connect for our Windows 365 PC. So I just go for the Windows Store app, then just go for Windows apps. Just click this Windows apps. Then after that, install. Now you can see here the Windows app is installed complete. You just open it. So after that, you just sign in. Use your whatever the license you provide for the Windows 365 PC. So I already provide that team at RijoHop. That is a license I provide for the Windows 365 PC. I am using the same user. Then click next, next, then done. So now you can see here the Cloud PC Windows Rijo Joy and 2 virtual 8 GB. Then after that, you just click connect. Then then you need to enter the password. Then click sign in. Allow remote desktop connection, CPC time, the same PC name, S, click S. So now the connection in progress. Let's Windows app access your, yes, we just click S. So now you can see the Windows PC is opening in there. So it take a little bit time to complete. So we just waiting for the welcome. You can see here Windows PC is now is open. Go for the account settings. Just to go for the account. So here you can access work and school account. So here connected to the Team at Rijo connected to Rijo Hub Microsoft Intra. So now you understand how to we can provision for the Windows 365 PC. So now this is a PC already provision and we already log into our application Windows app. So after that you can just go for your device all Windows then. See now you can see here CPC team L8. This is our cloud PC. So now the cloud PC is already open and is managed by the Intune. So now you understand how to we can enable for the Windows 365 PC. So just go for the Windows 365 and you can see all the cloud PC. Also you can see the all the information. So now I am wind up my topic. You understand how to we can enable the Windows 365 PC. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.